Well, we now know that there was nothing anyone could have done to prevent the deadly fire at a Chesapeake senior apartment complex. Officials said today that lightning from Saturday morning's storm sparked the massive fire. 10 on your side's Aaron Kelly now with new information on the victims as well. Aaron?
Well, we know that the Chesapeake Fire Department has been able so far to identify one of the victims as 61-year-old Cynthia Martenis. We know 2 other victims have not yet been identified. I talked to the property owner today. He says close to 70 units here are not livable. They're going to cease those leases and help those people find new places to live. Meanwhile, there are other residents tonight who are still waiting to get back into their units, and for now, some of them are staying in hotels.
We'll have dinner back tonight as well.
See y'all a little bit.
Okay.
The American Red Cross went room to room at hotels in Chesapeake Tuesday, delivering meals to residents of a senior living complex forced out by a deadly fire. Sharon Johnson escaped the 4-alarm fire at Chesapeake Crossing on Robert Hall Boulevard Saturday. Firefighters say lightning caused the fire that killed 3 of Johnson's neighbors.
It was awful. It was awful. We stay on the 3rd floor, and when we came out the house, everything was in flame to our right.
Johnson says she's making the best of her situation and thinking of those who didn't survive.
And those people who died in that fire, I really feel so sorry for their families. You know, because that's awful.
The Red Cross says it's providing lunch and dinner to those who need it, trying to make life easier for the victims.
We actually came down yesterday from Richmond, Virginia. We brought our emergency response vehicle, and together with another local IRF team, we're providing feeding to help alleviate some of the suffering that the residents from the senior community in Chesapeake have experienced due to the fire. Each of us have about 5 hotels. Everybody's kind of spread out. We just try to make sure we hit everybody that has a need for us.
And we talked to a representative from a local church, the Mount. They say they are helping out with some of these hotels. If you'd like to learn how to help the efforts, you can visit our website. Live in Chesapeake, Aaron Kelly, 10 on your side.